surprise, just wanted to show that today I am at Waterfall. So the weather is really good. We have 24 degrees Celsius, which is not really common right now, because in July and August it is said that it's more summer, but I think I just got lucky. So this destination was on my bucket list since 1 year. Ever since I've came to Germany or started living in Switzerland, I always wanted to come to this place, and finally I am here. So the plan is that I'm already here and the time is around 12:30. So we might take a boat ride. So for that I will be needing to buy ticket. Then for the lunch or dinner, we have a nice restaurant here behind me, which you could see is so beautiful, like a castle, but and inside there is a restaurant. Or I wonder that if they have a takeaway or dine-in facilities available. If the facilities are available, then you will see me having a nice dinner or lunch in that beautiful restaurant there. So here you can see that there is like different type of boat ride available. So these are like the short ones that last for 30 minutes. So the yellow line you can see here goes from here to there, and you can go on top and see a panoramic view. Then over here we have the longer ones. So the trip A is 30 and this one is 70 minutes, which I will be taking, and you can see it covers the entire area. So that is the ride I will be taking for 70 minutes, and of course I will get lots of nice pictures to take. The ticket was for 16 franc, and of course if you are coming by car you have to even pay the parking ticket as well, which costs around 10 franc. This water is so clean and transparent. Probably this is the place from where the Rhine River is originating, and it's super clean here.
Tear us apart and bury me all in my head alone, calling your name but only feel the cold. I sense the change in energy, all of my fuse is blown. If
So here I can see in the souvenir shop that they have Grendel inspired dress for both infants and the a bit grown up kids. Look at that yellow boat going so close to the waterfall. I'm already thrilled to have my own boat ride. Now, enough of fun. Let's go and do something thrilled. So here you can see such type of symbols you will always find when you are going to the harbor. So whenever you see here on the street something like that or an anchor, this means that there is a harbor, or you can have a boat ride somewhere near to it. So behind me you can see nice boats, colorful ones, and I'm going a bit earlier so that I can secure a nice seat for myself. Here behind me. So as you can see, I'm finally in the boat. But next to me there is this mic. Enough space for your photo shoot. Boat has started, and let's see how this 70 minutes will pass.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. can't fight it. I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need. So don't leave me alone. La 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 la. Don't leave me alone. La 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 la.
So I just finished my boat ride and I did a bit of hiking from that stairs. And now, I don't know if you can hear me, but here, just look at the view. So it's like here, it's more like a flat surface where the water is like coming and then it falls from here, and that was the location there where we were having boat. And now here behind me is the flat surface, and possibly this is the reason why it is considered as the largest, one of the largest European waterfall.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me.
So guys, now as you can see behind me, there are some people over there. I think there. So it's like a castle where we have to go by this route, and it will take us around from there to that place from where we can see the fall much more closer. So let's go. So I can see here there is like a staircase. To be honest, I cannot see anything, it's so bright. I mean, it's quite a nice weather. Now let's get going. You can find these type of locks hanging here with the lovers' initials. Right now I am opposite to where I was talking to you, and walking on this bridge with lots of padlock.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it.
So guys, as you can guess already, I am back. So I'm home now, and just like you can see, it's all messed up. So it was really hot, sunny day. So it's around 7, and I am now going to prepare myself a nice dinner. So I have bought for myself tortellini and pesto. So let me go inside and show it to you. Avoid the mess that I have in the background. So this is the this is the pesto sauce, and this is already prepared tortellini, which has a filling of cheese and spinach inside there, and it's somehow like, to me, like a substitute for dumplings. You could say that it's like a miniature form of it, because the ingredient is all the same. So it's like a small round filled with some veggies inside, which you actually boil, and these versions are like the fresh ones, which you do not have to boil much. But there are also the dry versions available in the supermarket. So these things are really good. And I just forgot to mention that yesterday I have made these nice brownies as well, which I have been eating all day long with some choco chips as well inside. So this is what will keep me going next week probably, because I have like 2-3 containers full of that cake. And so I think I have to end my vlog now, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye. And in case you're watching my video during your meal, then guten appetit.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it.